Which is we're here with AVI Networks doing an on-the-spot interview at VMworld 2018. Thanks for joining me. Now, the question I wanted to ask you, what's the one thing about AVI Networks products that most people don't know?
Well, the thing is that I found is that people think SSL processing, we're a load balancer, we terminate SSL traffic, and you need an offload engine for the purpose of SSL processing.
That's the common knowledge. That's what everybody believes. We've been told that for, 20 years?
I know, and a lot of people come to us and ask us, what's your SSL offload engine? And we say that we don't need any.
Yep.
You know why? Because we have a scale-out architecture which is elastic.
Right.
So what happens is that whenever the load on a load balancer increases, we can horizontally scale out.
So, but you also can share sessions across multiple instances.
Correct.
Without having to, like, load balancers.
We don't.
Right.
So what happens is that there are two different ways we do that. One is that inject BGP routes.
Yes.
And we let the router do ECMP, equal cost multipathing.
Okay, yep.
So the routing layer basically takes the effort of spraying.
What about state? Do you handle the state sharing?
Oh yeah, we have flow tables sync in between the engines.
So if I had a state transition from one router to the other because the ECMP wasn't load balancing correctly?
Yeah, so we always have a primary and a couple of secondaries. So we go to the primary.
And the flow tables are replicated between the...
Yes. Yeah, we sort of know exactly where the flow is across these instances, and that's how we horizontally scale out. And this has been the mantra that we have found that we can increase the number of TPS.
CPUs are just getting so much more powerful.
Correct.
We did use, back in the days when a CPU was like a Celeron class, you needed an accelerator to do crypto at speed. But in a modern function, a lot of Intel CPUs actually have crypto accelerators in the chip, in the die.
Absolutely, and that's one of the things that's helping us. And since we are totally a software-based solution, hardware, what we have found is that our customers put in hardware, they spend on the hardware with all these new bells and whistles, and we reap the benefit out of it.
So if that's of interest to you, get in contact with AVI Networks. Thanks very much for taking the time to talk.